Hey there, it's Jason here. How are you today? I hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk emails in make.com using Google Sheets and a Gmail account. Once you have it all set up, it's pretty much free to use and to set up. All you need is a Google or Gmail account, a Google Sheet set up with your client's first name and email, and a Gmail account so we can pair the Google Sheet to your Gmail account and send the emails directly from there. So it's obviously a business email or Gmail account that you have, which you can set up for free. Very simple and easy to do to set up a Gmail account. Most people know how to do that. So if you've got that, then you're ready to get this set up and get going. So let's just go through and show you a few simple things about how this is set up, and if you want to do it yourself, you can do it yourself, or if you need some help with it, you can reach out to me and we'll help you the best way we can to get it set up. So the first thing you're going to need is a Google Sheet, and you're going to need to pair the Google Sheet to make.com. If you don't have a make.com account, I'm going to leave a link below so you can create one. And you know, I'm not going to leave links to create Google Sheets and things like that. You can pretty much go out and get the information yourself to do that. That's pretty easy to do. But once you have all of those things, you've logged into make.com, what you need to do is create or select Google Sheets, watch new rows. I'll give you a quick demo on how to do that. You just add a module, click the plus, go to Google Sheets, and then watch new rows. Okay, that's about it for that. I'll just delete that. And once you've done that, click in it, come up here, pair your Google Sheet to here, select the spreadsheet ID here, go there, select which one you want. We're going to use this one here. Click on the sheet name and just leave everything as it is here. You don't need to touch it. Click OK. Once you've done that, come over to Gmail once you've got it all set up. And what you want to do is click on these separate parts of your of the sheet here. Click on there, and it should drop down all the different rows inside of this Google Sheet. All you need to do is select which one you want to use. So obviously we need this row here, which is the B row. I'll go over to the Google Sheet so you can see. So obviously B, you need to select B, which is the email, which is where we want to send it to. The subject is obviously what subject you want to do in your email. I've got hey first name, so we can customize it to the person on the Google Sheet, which is here. And you know, exclusive deal inside for return customers only. Obviously I'm sending this out to my database, so to try and get some more work from my database. And then we've crafted the email here to say hey first name, so it's personalized. Hope you're doing well. You do need to use some HTML coding to separate the sentences and rows here. To create a new row, you just use this little bracket here. It's very easy to do. I'll actually leave that in the comments below, or in the description of the video, so you can copy it. And that's about it. You're ready to rock and roll. And once you've done that, what you do is basically click run, and away we go. So I'm going to do that, and you can watch as we send the emails. And here we go. So normally, if you're doing this yourself, this would normally take, God, how long? Who knows? To send 50 emails. We're already up to 8, 9, 10. So you probably first say 50 emails to do it properly. You're looking at about, let's say, a minute to a minute and a half. So I'll fast forward a little bit here. So we're not going to sit here for, you know, that whole minute and a half waiting for it. And there we go, all 50 emails all sent. And let's go into my inbox and just check that they're all being sent. Okay, a couple of them didn't get sent here, you can see here. And if we go to more and go to, don't forget more, go to sent, you can see here 2:11, which is the time right now. We had 2:10, 2:09. All of these different emails have been sent. Okay, I'll show you what the Google Sheet looks like just quickly so you can see. If we go over to our Google Sheet, I'm gonna blank out all the emails because I don't want you to see the emails for privacy reasons. But that's how it's set up. So you just set it up like this in the sheet. So if you've got a database of people with names and emails, I know how to separate the first and last name on a Google Sheet, so it doesn't matter if it's first and last name. We can separate those for you, and we just itemize them in order there, and we get the software to send them in order. The reason we do that like that is so we know where we're up to. So we know we've sent 100 emails, so we can start at 101 and go from there. If you found this video interesting and you want to learn more about how I can help you inside of your business to make things easier using AI and all the different technologies out there these days that can, make jobs just like this one seamless and effortless every day in your business, please reach out to us. I'll leave a link below. You can comment below on the video. If you're watching this on a different platform, you can message me directly, but I'll leave all the links and different things or different ways you can message me in the description or somewhere around the video. So I hope you have an awesome day and be nice to everybody. Thank you.